Welcome to Superfone demo session. I'm Pradeep, co-founder of Superfone. At first, I want to take a minute to explain why we started Superfone. We observed that most businesses in India use a normal SIM card and an Android phone for business purpose. Sometimes this is the same number belonging to the business owner. We found it odd that successful businesses use sophisticated solutions for other purposes, but when it comes to phone number, they use the same phone number setup as a college student or and non-business users. However, we all know in businesses it is the customers who are calling you and not family and friends. When customers call, they exchange important information with your business, like their requirements, sales inquiry, or they might just want to know more about your business. This is a precious information for any business and is extremely helpful to make a business successful. And we found that there was no solution like this in India. Hence, we decided to build India's first business mobile number superphone that is exclusively made for business purpose. Let's dive into the demo now. First point to note is that Superphone is a 100% app-based mobile number and doesn't require a SIM card. It takes less than 5 minutes to get your Superphone number and get started. We saw that a lot of businesses use multiple numbers to run their businesses. Some of these numbers actually belong to the staff members. And as a business owner, you don't know what customers are calling and what are they discussing. And most of this customer information, which is relevant to your business, is actually stored in personal phones of your staff members. So if they leave, your customer data also goes with them. Superphone solves this problem with a shared number concept. You can install Superphone app on all your staff's phones and they can call using the same Superphone number. When a customer calls you, Superphone app on all these phones ring at the same time. This is called parallel ringing. And now whoever is free at that point of time can take that call and they can discuss with the customer. If the staff member wants to make an outgoing call, they can open the Superphone app from their phone and make an outgoing call. As a business owner, you can see all the activity across your team on the Superphone app. If you see my phone, my let's say my business is Good Pets Enterprises, and if you see my team, it is me, Rahul, and I can also add more team members. I can also go to call history and see who all took the calls and which customers called. The second point I want to talk about is that on a normal phone number, if an incoming call comes, you have no way to store customer's number instantly, no way to make a note of what is being discussed, and no way to share more information like your catalog, website link, or payment link instantly while being on the call. On Superphone, you can do all these things and more. I'll show you how. Let's say my business Good Pets Enterprises is getting a customer call on the Superphone number, right? So we'll see how the call experience is and what can you do on the call screen. So this is the call that came. So I took the call. Now, let's say the customer says that her name is Seema. So while being on the call, I can just write down her name and save. Now, let's say this customer is calling me for the first time and she's a new customer. So I can quickly click on add tag and I can click on new customer or new lead and save the tag. And during the discussion, Seema tells me that she wants 20% discount. So I can quickly click on add node and say wants 20% discount. And the note is saved. And I tell her that I will confirm the discount in 1 hour. So I can set a reminder, say 1 hour, and save the reminder. Call back, right? So the reminder is saved. Say during the discussion, I have to send some catalog, some pictures to Seema. So I can click on quick message and I can click on catalog or any of the message templates that you create using Superphone app and send it easily on WhatsApp. As you can see on the top of the call is being recorded so that you can later on kind of, go to the call and listen to the recording. Now, let's say, Seema calls me back after some time. So let's see how the experience will be. Now, when Seema called me back, I can see Seema's information here, new customer, lead, and a note. So when I click, I can see clearly that her name is being shown, her tags are being shown, and this is the information that is being shown to anybody who takes the call. So it doesn't show only to the person who saved that information, but it gets saved into your central customer database, and it is shown to anybody who takes that call. Let's talk about another interesting feature on Superphone called zero missed calls. A lot of businesses told us that they miss a lot of customer calls as they're either busy or talking to another customer on phone. The shared number concept on Superphone ensures that someone from your team always picks up the call even when you're busy. Now, say you're talking to some customer already on Superphone and a second customer calls. Then the second customer call can come to your backup number. So you can change this backup number anytime by going to settings. And this backup number could be your landline number or any other personal number. Now, the backup number also helps in getting the calls when you are in a bad network coverage area. This essentially means that you can take two incoming calls at any point of time, one on Superphone, one on backup number, only if the backup number is set up on a separate phone. Say you can't take a call at all. This usually happens when customers call you during off business hours or holidays. In that case, Superphone sends them an SMS that you're sorry for missing the call and you will call them back as soon as possible. Soon we will add WhatsApp support to this so that you can take your appointments or orders on WhatsApp while you're off business or when you're busy. Now I'll talk about auto call recording feature on Superphone. It is a premium paid feature, but currently it is free of cost for all paid customers till end of August 2022. There will be a nominal charge after this particular period. Call recording can be switched on and off only by the business owner. Once you switch it on, all the calls done by your staff members are automatically recorded and stored. Currently, calls during the last 10 days get stored. We will be adding a download and backup option so that you can store the calls of previous period. You can go to the call log and click on this three button menu and listen to the call recording using Superphone app itself. Now, your staff members can listen to the call recording as well, but they cannot delete the call records. Only a business owner has control over activating the call recording and deleting the call recording. Another feature I want to talk about is the My Business page on Superphone app. Now here you can add your business details, link your Google My Business account, that is Google Maps account, and quickly share the link with your customers to get more Google reviews. You can add your business information like WhatsApp number, website, Facebook, and Instagram page, etc. All this information can be shared with your customers using a single share button. We will soon be adding a digital business card to this. With one click of a button, you can share your business digital card and with customers, and customers can see all your contact information and social media information from there. We're working on a very interesting feature that will get launched this month. It is called Custom Caller Tune. When a customer calls your business, instead of boring tring tring sound, we will be announcing a welcome message with your business name. Something like, "Welcome to Good Pets Enterprises, the best pet store in Bangalore." In future, we will add offer announcement to this as well, where you can announce offers like 10% off on orders worth rupees 10,000 while the customer is waiting for you to pick up the call. Essentially, we are using this time that the customer calls you to not only increase your business reputation, but also offer critical information to your customers about offers and other business information. Soon, we will also be launching call transfer call conferencing, and IVR features within Superfone app. We are building very powerful tools for business owners like you to help manage your customer interactions better and make your businesses more successful. We'll be adding more powerful features going forward. All these features are packed into one single, simple to use Superfone app. Now let's discuss about plans and pricing. We have a 3-day free trial period. You can get access to the free trial by downloading the app and registering on it. During the free trial period, the number assigned to you is auto-generated by the system. However, when you upgrade to a paid plan by clicking on Buy Now button, you will be shown a list of available numbers on the app itself. You can select any one of those numbers, make the payment, and that number is yours. We have a very simple pricing structure. Our basic plan costs rupees 299 per month, including GST. And if you pay for 6 months in one time, you will get 1 month free. That is, instead of 6 months, you get 7 months validity. As mentioned earlier, call recording feature is currently free till end of August 2022. Post that, there will be nominal charges for call recording feature. I welcome you all business owners to try Superfone by downloading our app and registering for a 3-day free trial, and give us your feedback, and please get in touch with us if you want any more information. Thank you.